Alam mo yung craving na hindi ka mapakali hanggat hindi ka nakakapag-grill? Yung gusto mo na sizzling meat, endless sides at walang bilangang kainan. Ganun na ganun ako today. Hi guys! Andito ako ngayon sa Bulgogi Brothers located at the level 6 East Wing ng EDSA Shangri-La Plaza. Ang taga ko na kasi naghahanap ng place na pang solid na K-bbq experience and I think swak na swak naman to sa cravings ko. Starting at 795 pesos, you get unlimited pork and chicken, only rice, sides and drinks. At kung gusto nyo pang i-level up, just add 200 pesos for unlimited beef. Makikita at matitikman mo talaga yung quality ng meat dito. At alam nyo bang may 22 premium meats to choose from? So marami ka talagang pagpipilian. Ano sa tingin mo? Kaya mo ba lahat to tapusin? One more thing, nagustuhan ko dito yung Korean crispy pork, steamed egg at yung glass noodle soup nila. Sobrang comforting, perfect pang balanse sa K-bbq feast. Malalaman yung sulit ang binayad nyo kung bukod sa premium meats, ay masarap rin ang sides nila. So guys, if you're craving for that full Korean barbecue experience, check out Bulgogi Brothers by the Bistro group and get to enjoy it with your favorite people. So yun lamang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!